Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been so long and honestly I missed you guys, but I'm just here to share a quick life update. So let's get right into this gist. I left my corporate banking career and I didn't relocate, and AI played a huge role. The most interesting thing about this whole thing was the way people reacted when I told them I quit. They were like, you mean you quit a stable job in Lagos, Nigeria? Are you not relocating? Are you okay? No, I'm not okay. And yes, I quit. You know what I think? Nothing in this life is easy. Just pick your own heart and run with it. Let me tell you the full gist. About a year ago, I was still working my 9 to 5 while trying to run my business and also create content. I did not look forward to going to work. I was uncomfortable working in my team. So I decided to quit. I had one goal: get my business running again and just bow out gracefully. There's this philosophy I have about life. If you have a problem, fix it. The plan to actually quit was something that I thought of 2 years ago. I quit 6 months ago, so it fully activated a year and 6 months ago. Initially, I didn't want to tell people that I quit because I didn't want to entertain fear. But when I started telling people that I quit, I think they were more scared for me than I was for myself. And I get it. Nigeria is already difficult enough. But I've always believed that my mind is the powerhouse of everything I do. And the environment I'm in really matters. So if I can't think, create, or grow in that environment, the only option I have is to change it. Another thing is, I had worked for over a decade and I didn't feel like I had really had time to rest. Even leave days, public holidays, especially Christmas holidays, didn't feel like time to rest. And I craved that so much. I was working hard, but I wasn't wealthy after a whole decade. That's insane. But the good part is that over the years, I had built skills in operations. At the time, I'd worked in different parts of operations. I even did customer service. I built skills in sales because I transitioned to sales, and then in HR. And when I was working, I decided to focus more on building skills that I could monetize. I also ran projects for creatives on the side, and I did this for a couple of years. So I wasn't starting from zero. I felt like I didn't have enough time to execute properly. Transitioning was also easy for me because as much as I love nice things, I try not to live above my means. Then I started learning how to use AI and everything changed. I was able to start my digital products business and then push my hair business and also content creation. This helped me write scripts faster, organize my ideas quicker, and then create graphics and edit content easily. I was able to build systems that actually work. And most importantly, I reduced mental stress. I could work faster and stay consistent. If you've been following my channel, you would have watched a video that I posted last year about how I used AI to plan my year. Truth is, it sounded unrealistic. I won't lie, I didn't hit all the goals that I set, but I was able to generate enough for my side hustle to match my salary, and that was enough to bet on myself. That was really all I needed, and I decided to stop playing safe because believing in yourself is the best and most powerful thing you can ever do. Even when people think you're crazy, because you believe in yourself and you know who you are, you can keep going irrespective of what people think, and you will definitely get to the finish line. Now I wake up to slow mornings. I have more time to rest, more time to think, time to build. No constant pressure or anxiety trying to meet people's expectations. I'm just living life on my own terms. I'll definitely be sharing more about this journey, so subscribe to my channel if you like to know the AI tools I use and what I'm learning next. I'll be happy to share it with you. And if you're also trying to figure things out, this is the place to be. So see you on my next one.